dirty our baby is. She's a bit out of control. The thing is though, during this time is that I need to drop my coffee, it's spilling everywhere. During this time of the year, like, it is so dirty and we're in the snow, it's slushy, so it's like even if we do get a truck wash, it's gonna be dirty right after. So last night we ended up sleeping here in Thunder Bay. I love this place. It's a little mall. You have a Timmy's over there. Obviously I got myself a Timmy's. Derek was like, do you want, we wake up, he's like, Derek, do you want to, Taylor, do you want a Timmy's? I'm like, obviously babe, we're in Canada, we parked beside one, how do we not go get one, you know? And so he's like, okay, did you want me to drive there and drop you off, or do you want to walk there? I'm like, well, hold up, I need to walk there, like, you're not gonna walk with me? And he's like, no. Anyways, I walk, I get myself a coffee, I get one. I'm like, he doesn't want to come, I'm getting myself one. And I come back to the truck and he actually found an issue with this tire, it's a bit low. He filled it up, so now I feel bad. Thank God I got an extra large. But yeah, so we're in Thunder Bay. I think we're going to be leaving Ontario today, so that will be nice. If you guys watch my videos, last time we went to BC, obviously it's the same route from Ontario to BC. And last time there was absolutely no snow, there was nothing, and now like there's so much snow. It's crazy. Like, look at all of that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Winston is loving it. He adores the snow. He just runs around with it. He goes wild. But it's just crazy how, you know, one day you're driving out here, it's beautiful, and the next day you're driving out here and it's covered with snow, like there's mountains back there. It's crazy. So yeah, not looking everywhere. Let's say another hello to the dirty truck. I gotta walk Winston, get the logs ready, and we're gonna hit the road. We stopped early last night just because I don't like driving at night. I like driving during the day, show you guys the scenery. I hate only showing 2 hours worth of video of driving because it ends up being dark so fast. At 4:34, it's pitch dark. If we're starting at 2, you guys literally don't get to see anything. So yeah, we started pretty early today just so you guys get to enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you just honk the horn, you? Excuse me. Don't do that. Go. use a washroom and we'll walk Winston, I guess. I do want to make a complaint. It's going to be a little complaint. Highway 1 in Canada, you literally have nowhere to pee, to sleep. You have nowhere to go. Like, look, it's like a little roundabout thing. Winston's somewhere in there. Like, oh wait. Like, look at this. It's absolutely nothing, and that's what the whole highway looks like. It's just straight up little snow plows, and you can't sleep here because you'll get a fine. And there's nowhere to stop. Like, it's ridiculous. And just for us to use the washroom, like, for guys it's easy, you know, you just whip it out, you're good. But like for females, like where am I supposed to go? Like, where is females supposed to use the washroom? I don't get it. Like, you want me to walk in that forest and use a washroom? Like, there needs to be more outhouses. And the only outhouse that we've seen is called Kenora, which is like still 4 hours away from here. It's the only outhouse we see from Toronto all the way to there. Like, isn't that sad?
Well, there's a couple of them.
Yeah, but barely. Oh, Winston's stuck. You having fun? No, you stay out of there. Alright, so we have stopped in Manitoba, pretty much outside of Winnipeg at an Esso. I believe it's an Esso. No, oh, that's an Esso. There was rest. A lot of it was Petro. So yeah, we have stopped here to grab ourselves some coffee just because we do want to make it all the way out to Baljonia. I forget the place. Anyways, somewhere in Saskatchewan, pretty much right before Regina. We like that Flying J. Came out and Port Gas is quite pretty close to us. Look at that. Kenworths always want to be friends with Kenworths, right? They don't want to price set anyone else. So yeah, he decided to stay with us. We're walking Winston. He's getting all dirty because he's not listening to me. And yeah, we're gonna hit the road and keep you updated, guys.
Here's which model we're going to use, and you might even use a combination of both. That's really the most effective.
I mean, just run across.
Is to use a combination of both, where you do have captive trucks. You have X number of trucks that either you own.
Okay, so we have finally stopped for the night in Balgonie, Saskatchewan, where I wanted to end it. So it's perfect. We can wake up, shower, take our time. It's a bit late for our home time. It's about 1 a.m. No, what time is it back home?
It's 2 o'clock.
Winston, oh my god, it's in that fenced area. Can we talk about how they put a fire hydrant on the other side of the fence? I don't know how that worked out. So yeah, we have stopped here. We have, I'm gonna say 9 hours because of traffic, everything tomorrow to our drop. So we're gonna be making that no problem. It's freezing out here and there's no snow. Like, we went from pure snow to like no snow anymore. It's pretty funny. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna look at this flatbed. Can I just say I'm so happy we don't do that anymore? Actually, sorry, it's actually a stepdad. I'm so happy we don't have to do that anymore. During summer it was fine though.
Yeah, just in the cold.
Yeah, the cold, like, we'd rather swing doors than do that. Even during the summer, like, where were we? I think it was Georgia and we had to tarp and like it's hot. North Carolina. Oh my god, without the humidity for like us.
It was like 45.
Yeah, it was like 45, so.
No, flatbedders and heavy haulers, that's a different breed of truckers.
Even, no, cow haulers. We'll just,
Yeah.
like.
Anything other than swinging doors is like, takes a specific kind of person to do that.
Yeah, we did it for a bit and we enjoyed it, don't get us wrong, but now that cold, like, winter was coming, we were not down to do that anymore. And it wasn't just on the cold, don't call us little babies. There was more issues, we just don't need to talk about it. So yeah, gonna go to bed. We're gonna use the washroom. Winston's using the washroom. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.